How is it, guys, and welcome back to yet another video in this talk show. If you are new, my name is Dixon and I'm the host of this talk show. And if you don't mind, make sure you hit the subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I create videos you get to receive notifications. But also, if you don't mind, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, but also follow me on Facebook so that you get to receive my exclusive content. So guys, in our today's talk show, we want to talk about 3 artists that has just released their songs. I hope you are going to enjoy the video, so stay tuned and we'll proceed this video soon after this intro. Just as I said, we want to talk about these 3 songs that have just been released. We are talking of Patience Namadingo, otherwise he's known as the doctor. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, so we also have Onesimus, otherwise he's also known as what do you call him? African Butter. Yeah, the African Butter, yes. And also we've got Masco. Yeah, so guys, these 2 guys have just released their songs yesterday. Yeah, so you know, in Malawi we've been waiting to see these giants releasing their songs and just to see how things are going to be. But you see, the problem that we have in Malawi is that thing of competition. It looks like there's a lot of competitions on artists, but I should not say that the problem is the artists themselves. It's the social media that is the problem. And I don't want to say this specifically to one person or one page, but in overall basis, if we're going to take it on average basis, we're going to say that it's been the social media that is bringing this competition. But I don't think if you go to doctor, is going to say that maybe I hate this artist, or if you go to Onesimus, is going to tell you that I hate this particular artist, or maybe if you go to Masco, is going to tell you that I hate this specific artist. No, these guys, they're just cool, they're friendly to each other. But on social, as people on social media, we are the ones who are the problem. We are the co-founders of this social bullying, if I can say it, social bullying. Yeah, so based on the statistics that we have, as I'm recording right now on YouTube, Doctor released both audio but also a video. Yeah, so on YouTube, Doctor, as I'm recording right now, he's got a but Onesimus didn't upload the audio on his YouTube channel. So I also checked Masco, he's got I think 289 views on his YouTube channel. And also if you go to Miko's network, we're going to see that Onesimus has got 404 downloads and Doctor has got 449 downloads. Masco has got 92 downloads. Yeah, so far those are the statistics that we want to measure on, and it's where we are going to draw the conclusion to see that which artist is big based on the projects that has been released yesterday. So guys, don't get me wrong, but based on the numbers that we have, Doctor remains on top. One thing that I'm surprised with is that when you check on Miko's Network's website, you're going to realize that Masco is ranking on number 1. I don't know which statistics that Miko's is using. I don't know if they did maybe a mistake by the time they were typing the blog. I don't know, and I'm not sure. But to them, they're saying Masco ranks on number 1. Number 2, there's Onesimus. Then number 3, there's Doctor, and the list goes on. But if you want to be based on statistics, you're going to see that Doctor remains the giant. He remains on top. Yeah, so guys, I don't want you to get me wrong, because you see some people, they like judging, saying that maybe I'm on the part of Namadingo, I like Namadingo, but that's not the point. And I think I once said, and I'll continue to say, that the reason why we have this talk show is to express what is on the ground, to express the reality of the unexisting statistics. So if you want to judge, saying maybe my score is on top, or maybe saying Onesimus is on top, then I've got the right to also argue with you, saying that it's a lie. The doctor remains on top, unless if there's another website, maybe on Malawi Music. But even if you go to malawimusic.com, probably they've not, these artists, they don't have their projects there. I checked the doctor, we don't have the downloading link. So the only outstanding source that I had to be based on is from Mikosi. Yo guys, this is all that I had for you, and if you've enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you don't mind, you can share the link on Facebook or on WhatsApp, so that your family and friends can also get to watch the video. And also guys, the other things that I just want to ask you, if you don't mind, make sure you show me support by following me on Instagram, but also follow me on Facebook page, so that you get my exclusive content. Otherwise, if I missed anything, leave in the comment section below that this place you were wrong, or this place you are right. Whatever you feel like saying, please say it in the comment section below. You don't lose anything. Even if you just type a full stop, if you type a fire emoji, if you type a smiling emoji, whatsoever you're going to say it, you lose nothing guys. I'm going to appreciate for that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and as always, God bless.